Ambassador Schools together is meeting of 4 countries, 150 students from Germany, Belgium, France and Luxembourg meeting for 3 days at Europa Experience Luxembourg. They have workshops, they network, they visit Schengen and exchange with members of the European Parliament. All that to bring democracy in action.
The European Parliament Ambassador Schools program is a program involving schools from the European Union, students and teachers, junior and senior ambassadors, that they exchange resources, information, common projects. In reality, it's a real network. We have been visiting other schools, we have been exchanging. The ambassadors get to acquaint themselves with the value of the European Union, the role of the institutions, and the role of the European Union in everyday life for each one of us.
L'EPAS, pour moi, ça représente beaucoup parce que j'ai pu améliorer mon français, parce que c'est pas ma langue maternelle. Ça m'a aussi permis de connaître des nouvelles personnes. Et pour moi, c'est important d'avoir des écoles internationales connues comme la mienne, qui puissent intégrer des nouvelles personnes qui viennent d'autres pays, d'autres continents. Pour moi, c'est incroyable.
Diversity.
Échange culturel.
Freundschaft.
Amitié.
Democracy.
Fraternité.
Europe.